What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, as you've seen in the thumbnail, I'm gonna be sharing with you my new truck. It's like, this is my dream truck, guys. I finally got one. Can't wait to share it with you. I'm gonna go over everything that we're gonna be doing with this truck on this channel. It's gonna be great. But before I show you the truck, I do wanna say thank you guys so much for supporting me, sharing my videos, watching my DIY videos, my adventure videos. It amazes me every day when I wake up and I get on my channel and I get all the good support that I'm getting from you guys. I really appreciate it. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be having this truck right now. I'm just gonna let you guys know that right now. I do work for a living, but you know, you guys supported me here on YouTube. It really helped me out, and I'm able to get my dream truck. So without further ado, let me show you my new Tacoma. That's it right there. It is a 2020 Tacoma. It is the cement gray color, the new color. I think that color come out in 2018. And there she is. I bought the TRD 4x4 off-road edition. Really hard to find right now with this COVID stuff going on. The Toyota dealerships, I think like the Toyota factory might be shut down or partially shut down, so nobody has these Tacomas. So I found one. It was about 45 minutes away. I went and got it about 2 days ago. Literally drove it off the lot with 15 miles on the odometer. The newest truck I've ever owned in my life. So I'm gonna give you guys a walkthrough, show you guys, you know, the inside, the outside, and all that good stuff. And I'm also gonna tell you the stuff that I've already ordered for this truck. The rooftop tent. We're gonna be doing some awesome camping videos. We'll be able to take the kayak with us with the tent, sleep right out there. We're gonna try to build this into an overland style truck. You know, I'm not gonna go completely crazy with it and make it like this big, you know, off-road vehicle, but we are going to add some stuff to it. We're going to make sure that we can go deep into the woods and find these lakes, and I really want to travel to Colorado and stuff like that. But anyway, I'm talking too much. Let me show you guys what you came here for. You want to see the new truck? Let's go check it out. We'll start on the outside right here. This is, like I said, the 2020 models, the TRD off-road edition. It's got the basic grill. That is one of the first things we're fixing to pull out of here. I've actually got a bunch of stuff on order, and I'm hoping to share this process with you guys, since I'm going to be taking you along with me in the adventures with this truck. Everything that I do to this truck, I'm going to try to film it and share it with you guys. So if you're interested in stuff like that, stick around, because we're fixing to put in the TRD Pro grill. We're going to put a bar light in, probably change the bumper out within the next couple months. But the grill, definitely, the grill's been ordered. We're going to debadge it this week. I'm going to make a video and show you guys how you can debadge it. And I've got some really, really cool TRD off-road decals that are going to go here. And we're going to get rid of the Tacoma badges on the side. I know a lot of people's like, man, that is a brand new truck. I can't believe you're doing that. I really like the look of it. I'll share a picture right here. See this is, I love this look. I love, as you can see, the logos on the side, the grill. That is the look I'm going for on this truck. So that's what we're going to do to this one. I'm going to keep the TRD 4x4 off-road decal on the back. I like that. Probably going to upgrade the step bars. I don't like the steps. I like having the rock guards there, so I'll probably go back with a rock guard. But the big thing that's coming right now, before I show you the inside of the truck, is we are fixing to have a bed rack right here, right where I'm drawing right here, and I'm going to be installing us a rooftop tent. So we're going to have a rooftop tent over the bed of the truck, so we can still take the kayak under the rooftop tent. And we're going to do some, I really want to go to Colorado this fall and do some kayak fishing up there and camp right on the water, so we're going to be doing that. I'm going to add the cab rack on the top of the truck too, so we can haul extra gear and stuff up there. We're really going to build this thing out so we can do some traveling, sleep right on the water, do some kayak fishing right on the water. All right, here is the inside. I'm in love with it. I did not want leather. Thank goodness. I mean, it was hard enough finding the truck that I wanted, but every box was checked on, you know, exactly what I wanted in a truck. I mean, this has the two-tone stitching. I love that. It's like a burnt orange, and then it's got the dash that matches. Just got bit by an ant. You can see that burnt orange color. I absolutely love that. It's got the crawl mode at the top. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that crawl mode is awesome. I haven't even got to use it yet. I literally just put it in 4-wheel drive to make this video. I didn't have to, but as you can see, I've got a hill on my property, and I drove it back here to the backyard to have some shade to film the video, and I decided to just lock it in, and it just crawled right up. Look how much room is in the back. It's got the double stitch going on the seats in the back. So much room. And I'm coming from a Chevy 1500, and I feel like this Tacoma actually has more room than my Chevy did. It's got power back glass. It's got the thing on the tailgate where you just let it go and it won't sling open. It's got that slow open. I got a 120 outlet on the back. It's just like a little box. I've got some ratchet straps in there. It's got the track system in the bed. Love it. Everything about this truck I'm in love with. It's got the backup camera. The inlaid, we're fixing to put the black logos in here. So I mean the letters, I've got them ordered too, so they'll go inside there so the Tacomas stick out. We're going to be taking off the V6, getting rid of that, upgrading the bumper. The wheels, I want to go to the TRD Pro wheels, the black ones. I really like the look of those, but I might end up with fuel. But for now, we're just going to rock these. I mean, these are pretty bad to the bone anyway. I'm gonna keep them for a while. We're just going to upgrade the tires. I just want to make it so we can comfortably and safely get to these places with our rooftop tent, and we can do some camping and do some fishing out in the middle of nowhere. That's the plan. I'm really excited. I can't wait to start this adventure. And I'm so excited to even own this truck and actually get to drive it every day. This thing is so amazing. I fought myself back and forth for the last couple of months because I knew this is the truck that I wanted, but I originally wanted the Desert Tan, or the Quicksand it's called, by Toyota. The Quicksand color was awesome. My mind was made up on that color up until about 2 weeks ago, and then I got to thinking about it, and I was I knew that if I got it and I got bored with it, or I didn't like the color 6 months later, it would suck, you know, and I can't afford to get one wrapped. But I just love this cement color. This cement is the coolest color I think Toyota has ever come out with. It's just such a flat, no metallic in it at all, just a flat cement gray. I absolutely love it. All right guys, so that is it. That is my 2020 TRD off-road Tacoma. I can't wait to build this thing with you guys, but I'm really looking forward to doing the rooftop tent camping with you guys. There's a lot of places that I got marked on the map right now in the United States that I want to go to. I want to travel to these private lakes that are hidden in the mountains and just pull off the rooftop, you know, unfold the rooftop tent, I guess you'd say, sleep right on top of the truck and get the kayak fish these little private lakes that are out in the middle of nowhere. So we're going to be doing that this fall. I can't wait. I'm going to build this thing right here on the channel. So if you're into that type of stuff, like I said, stick around. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. We're going to build this thing into an awesome overland vehicle so we can take it on these sweet adventures. And I appreciate all the support again. If it wasn't for you guys, like I said, I wouldn't have this truck. Just plain and simple. If it wasn't for the support I get from you guys, from my subscribers, from my viewers, for you guys sharing everything, I wouldn't be able to have this truck. So thank you guys so much, and stay tuned. We're fixing to really build this thing up. Catch you guys next time. Peace.